Can women undergo hair transplant procedure? If you are a woman and looking for hair transplant, please do watch this video. I'm Dr. B.K. Garg, plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in Delhi and Gurugram since last 15 years. I have extensive experience in hair restoration procedures. I have done more than 5,000 hair restoration procedures over last 15 years. All of us know that hair restoration or hair transplant procedure is commonly done for men because large number of men suffer from hair loss and baldness issues, and hair transplant is one of the very reliable solutions for that. Now, many of you will be surprised that women also suffer from androgenic alopecia or hair loss. This kind of hair loss also runs in families among women. Now, how it differs in case of women compared to men? In women, the frontal hairline, the narrow hairline in the front is generally preserved. That stays preserved for a very long time, and because of that, many women are able to camouflage or cover up their hair loss, which is right after their frontal hairline. Apart from that, in case of women, the hair loss you see is little different than men because they are never completely bald in a particular area. Now, the question is, when multiple kinds of hair loss solutions have been tried by women and they have not worked, are they candidate for hair transplant? Answer is yes. Many of them can benefit by hair transplant procedure. Now, for a woman to be suitable for hair transplant procedure, it's important to establish, it's important to confirm that her donor area is not showing any kind of thinning. Many times in case of women, this thinning can be diffuse, extending over entire scalp. If your donor area is healthy, then hair transplant procedure can be considered for women. How it differs? In case of women, our attempt is to restore frontal hairline so that they can grow their hair long and cover large area. By restoring a narrow frontal hairline, we have one more advantage. We do not need to trim hair in the recipient area. We only do a small selective trimming in the donor area, which gets easily covered by long donor hair, and by taking out follicles from donor area, where donor area stays covered under long hair, we implant these follicles into frontal area in particular way without trimming any hair in the recipient area. After implantation, these hair will take long time to grow back, but since your pre-existing hair have not been trimmed, you are largely able to maintain your pre-transplant look, and after 8 to 10 days, you more or less look normal. These new hair will start growing by end of 3 months. By 6 months, you'll get to see significant growth. But for a woman, the full effect can take up to 12 to 15 months because you need long length. So yes, hair transplants can be a solution for women, particularly with significant loss and where hair loss treatments have failed. So if you are a woman who's suffering from hair loss and is looking for hair transplant, please get in touch with us. We'll be very happy to help you. If you have any more queries, please do not hesitate to reach us. We are available on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. We'll be happy to answer your queries. Thank you.